How to make text size large on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make text size large on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here. Just click on it and then click this one. As click this one here, text size, and now all you do to do just make it like that, or manage it like anything you want, and click OK. And that's it. As you see now, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.